distant galaxy of Meowling, a small but intelligent alien cat named Mimi dreamed of exploring the universe. Unlike her fellow feline companions, Mimi was fascinated by the stars and spent her nights studying ancient scrolls about space travel. One day, she discovered a hidden blueprint for a spacecraft powered by cosmic energy. Determined to fulfill her dream, Mimi gathered a team of skilled cats, engineers, navigators, and philosophers to build the ship. After months of hard work, Mimi and her crew launched into the cosmos. Their journey was not just about conquest but about learning. They visited planets with diverse cultures, exchanged knowledge, and solved problems through cooperation rather than force. Mimi realized that conquest wasn't about domination but understanding and unity. One day, they encountered a dying planet. Using their collective wisdom, Mimi's team helped restore its ecosystem and taught its inhabitants sustainable practices. Word of their deeds spread across galaxies, inspiring others to follow their example. Mimi's legacy became a testament to the power of curiosity, collaboration, and compassion. She proved that even the smallest beings could make a monumental impact by conquering not with force but with wisdom and kindness.